Pakistan said on Sunday it was preparing to host meaningful talks in the coming days to end the conflict in Iran. This comes after Iran accused the U.S. of preparing a land assault while seeking negotiations. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar said he and other foreign ministers in the region met on Sunday to discuss possible ways to bring an early and permanent end to the war, as well as potential U.S.-Iran talks in Islamabad.
Pakistan will be honored to host and facilitate meaningful talks between the two sides in coming days for a comprehensive and lasting settlement of the ongoing conflict.
It was not immediately clear if the U.S. and Iran had agreed to attend. Initial discussions between Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Egypt had focused on proposals to reopen the Strait of Hormuz to shipping, sources familiar with the matter said. Iran's effective blockade of oil and gas shipments through the strait since the U.S. and Israel began attacking the country on February 28th is spreading economic pain around the world. Washington said last week it had offered a 15-point ceasefire plan, with a proposal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz and restrict Iran's nuclear program. Tehran has rejected the proposal and put forward alternatives of its own. An Israeli official said Israel would continue carrying out strikes against Iran on what were described as military targets, adding there was no intention to scale back the campaign ahead of any possible talks between Washington and Tehran.